Hi friends. Today's we are discussing about method statement outlines the steps and considerations for brickwork construction, ensuring quality, safety, and adherence to specifications. 1. Scope purpose. To build brickwork walls according to the architectural and engineering drawings and specifications, meeting the required line, level, and plumb requirements. 2. Materials and equipment. Bricks, sound, hard, well-burnt, uniform in size, shape, and color. They should produce a metallic ringing sound when struck together and have a minimum crushing strength of 3.5 nmm superscript 2 or 105 kilograms per square centimeter. They should not absorb more than 20% of their dry weight in water after 24 hours immersion. Bricks should be soaked before use. Cement, ordinary Portland cement conforming to IS 1-269. Sand, clean, sharp, and free from organic and foreign matter, conforming to IS 2116 specifications for masonry mortars. Water, clean and free from injurious amounts of deleterious materials. Mortar. Cements and mortar mixed according to the specified proportions, example 1:5 for full brick or more thick wall, 1:4 for half brick walls, and IS 2550 to 1981 Code of Practice. The mortar should be mixed on a clean, impervious platform. Tools and equipment. Trowels, brick, pointing, gauging. Spirit level. Line and pins. Plumb rule and bob. Brick hammer bolster. Measuring tape. Wheelbarrow or mortar pan. Scaffolding, as required. Safety equipment, hard hats, gloves, safety glasses, high visibility vests, safety footwear, dust masks, respirators. 3. Work method. Site preparation. Clear the area of debris and ensure a level and compacted ground surface for material storage. Mark the layout of the brickwork according to the drawings, establishing datum levels throughout. Ensure proper access and egress for material movement. For existing walls, thoroughly clean and wet the surface and rake the joints before starting new work. Mortar preparation. Measure cement and sand accurately and mix them dry on an impervious platform until a uniform color is achieved. Add water gradually and mix thoroughly to achieve a workable consistency. Only mix enough mortar for about 1 hour's work to avoid premature setting. Laying bricks. Thoroughly soak bricks in clean water for the required period before use. Lay a full bed of mortar along the foundation line. Place the first brick at the corner, buttering one end with mortar and gently pressing it into the mortar bed. Lay subsequent bricks, leaving a uniform 10 mm joint thickness. Ensure vertical joints in consecutive courses do not align. Use English bond unless specified otherwise. Use a spirit level and string line to check and maintain the horizontal and vertical alignment and plumpness of the wall. Fill the joints between the bricks properly, making sure no cavities are left. Rake the joints to a depth of 10 to 15 mm when the mortar is still green to provide a key for plastering or pointing, if required.